Deep in the heart of Wales, a mere stone's throw away from Aberystwyth, lies a hidden treasure, long lost to the outside world. Boasting ancient forests, breathtaking waterfalls and enchanting walks through picturesque landscapes, this is the Hafod Estate. During the 18th century, its celebrated owner Thomas Johns worked tirelessly to reform the once harsh landscape into the beautiful haven it is today. A lifetime of care, passion and dedication has transformed what was once a barren wilderness into the harmonious retreat of Johns's dreams. Restored paths guide the way into the heart of Hafod and past the very best the estate has to offer, just as they did 200 years ago. Gentle trails make their way along bluebell-lined fields to gardens built in honour of Johns's beloved wife and daughter, whose untimely deaths were a devastating loss. Following the river reveals the full extent and variety of Hafod's dramatic scenery. Rushing water crashes through mossy gorges deep in the forest, while downstream past the meadows the river snakes lazily through the valley. Riddled with miles of woodland paths surrounded by all manner of trees and plants, Hafod is full of hidden wonders waiting to be discovered. Throughout the estate, the raw power and quiet beauty of nature collide with stunning results. What was once the estate's crowning achievement, the magnificent Hafod mansion, is sadly no more. Having fallen into disrepair in the 1940s, the derelict, empty shell was soon demolished. The only remnants of the mansion today are a few stones and a ghost-like outline in the fields where it once stood. Scattered with reminders of Johns's legacy, this once forgotten land is now teeming with life. After all these years, John's vision of a picturesque paradise for all to enjoy is slowly being restored to its former glory.